to my new channel. In this video I'm gonna build my first computer in over 10 years. The last years I just had everything Apple, iMac, MacBook. But I'm kind of fed up with Apple and want to try something new. So in this video I'll present the parts for my a new PC build. So let's get going. Let's start off with, the first thing is this, my graphic card, GeForce GTX 1070, 8 GB of RAM. Read comments about it and it seems to be a pretty good card, so I'm very happy with this one. Just open it up. That's a nice box. Yeah, as you can see, very nice packaging. Asus. And what is this? Ah, okay. It's user manual and some cable management. Velcros. That's nice. We also have the driver CD. Yeah. And then for the graphic card. Ooh, that looks nice. That's huge. Ooh, look at that. Oh. That's the biggest graphic card I've seen in ever. Look at that. It'd be nice because this will light up with LEDs when it's finished, so that's super. Yeah, let's get this off to the side and take the next thing. Next up, just stop with this. It's just a SSD drive, 240 gigs, HyperX Fury. I wanted to get the Samsung one, but they were out of stock, so this one. Yeah. And the keyboard. I didn't have anything, so I had to buy everything. So yeah, this is the Cooler Master Masterkeys S Pro S keyboard with cherry keys and full RGB lighting. It's gonna be awesome to put on my desk. Here. Nice packaging as well. Ooh, it's heavy. Heavier than I thought. Ooh, that's a nice keyboard. Ah. Mechanical keys. Yeah. Just take this away and have a look at it later. And so, next thing, I bought this. It's a anti-static bracelet. I think it would be wise because I spent a lot of money on this PC, so safety first. And this is the processor I went with. It's a Core i5 unlocked i55 660K. So 4 cores, and I think it was 3.5 GHz. So I wanted to go with the i7, but i7 was a couple of thousand NOK more expensive, so I had to go with this one, but still very happy with it, I hope. And next up, here we have this. This is the fully modular power supply from Corsair CX750m. I think this will hold for a lot of time because it's expand. It has room for expanding the PC. So yeah, I'm happy with this one, I hope. And then we have the motherboard. Also here I wanted to go with a more expensive motherboard, but once again, not inside my budget. So I went with a Z170 Pro Gaming from Asus. It has a lot of great features. It has M.2, although I didn't order an M.2 disk or SSD, but I wish I had. But yeah, pretty nice. I'll just open it up, have a look. Ah, it looks good. I love packing up stuff. It's just the best. Ooh, it's nice. I just keep it in its bag until I can get the anti-static up and going. So put that away. Also, we got some software and stuff. And next here we have the memory. HyperX Fury. This is 16 gigabytes, 2x8, so it looked pretty nice, I guess. I was used to buy value RAM for my earlier builds in my teens. So this is not too expensive, but it looks more nice than value RAM. And here we have this. Just had to get it, Windows 10. And next up, we have just 1 terabyte regular drive, and we have this water cooling CPU. I love this. Gonna be nice. Hopefully it works again now. I have some issues with my old GoPro camera. So yeah, this is the CPU cooler. I've never tried water cooling before, but I always wanted to. This is a new type for me, at least. It's internal, so everything's kind of sealed off system, so you don't have to worry about spillage and stuff. So I'm looking very forward to trying this out on a CPU, but I want to unbox it because yeah, it's a couple of fans and a radiator, so yeah. And last but not last, but I have this DeathAdder Chroma. So this is RGB lighting mouse from Razer. I am very excited for this because I want to have a color theme on my computer. So it's pretty nice to be able to coordinate all the colors together. That's gonna be very nice. Let's see if we can open this. It looks great. Test that more later. And last but not least, what I'm gonna build my PC in. I'll just get it. This is a NZXT S340 Elite midi tower. So I've read a lot of good reviews on this one. So I want to unbox it here because I'm a little tight for space, but it looks great. I'm looking forward to building it. Just put that away. I also bought a screen, just 24 inches. I wanted to go with the ultra wide, but just not in my budget this time. So yeah. Next video I'll be back with hopefully a finished build PC. I'll show you how it turned out. So yeah, hope you liked the video, and if you do, like and subscribe, and yeah, come back for the next video. Bye bye.